guys, here we've got XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and let me show you how to check total screen time. So first of all, just open the settings, then click on digital wellbeing and parental controls, and then under your digital wellbeing tools, click on show your data. And here you've got the statistics of your device. So actually this one was not in use much, however all the activity would be displayed here. Also every app would be displayed with a particular period of time that it's been in use. So that's it. That's how you can check time spent on your screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.